Hey, I'll check out this old-fashioned smoker box from Door. Now, it comes with 6 different types of wood, including pear, apple, cherry, pecan, oak, and beech. Of course, it does come with your burner. Now, it doesn't come with any butane, so you do have to provide that yourself. And then it comes with this bamboo serving tray. Now, you can put your glasses here, or salmon, or other meats, and then you lower it into this box. See if I can do this one-handed. Okay, ideally use 2 hands when you're doing this. I'm holding a camera. But once you have that there, you set that in place. It's got like a nice glass panel. You close that. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of beech and try that. There we go. All right. And now we're gonna wanna turn it on. The on button is right here. It is powered by 2 AA batteries. And then we're gonna use this and burn it. Okay, as you can see, the smoke is coming through now. And you just let it sit for 2 minutes. You can put your drinks in there, your old fashioned, and you just let it sit for like 2 minutes, and it really elevates and makes it really smoky and flavorful. It's so good. But you can also do this with salmon, as I mentioned, and anything else. And then once you're done, you just kind of open it up.
Whoa.
Say hi.
Hi.
And then, boom, you got your drink. Let's pretend it's here. All right, I hope you all found it helpful, and have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.